Whoa, 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 whoa. Before I show you guys the money shot, I gotta explain a few things, one of which probably led to this crash in the first place. First off, I started motovlogging, bought an action camera, thinking, you know what, this action camera is gonna be great for recording those cool moments. It needs to work 100% of the time, or else you're gonna miss something that's really cool. So often I have to switch batteries every 20-30 minutes. Like, oh, you know, I'm gonna get this adapter. I can plug in a mic into my helmet, yada yada. I can plug in an external battery. Oh, that'll be great. It can run for days without having to be recharged. Oh, that's awesome, right? Well, I learned the hard way that when you use an external power source for a GoPro with their required adapter, it doesn't record audio. So this clip was the first day I had used an external battery, therefore I don't have audio recorded. Oh yeah, what may have led to this? So this is the Honda Navi, a beautiful, cheap, entry-level bike for beginners. Now, why is it good for beginners? Because it's really actually a scooter. It has a CVT, no clutch. This is a parking brake, which means everything is made for beginners. The braking system for the pedal, typically on a motorcycle, the right pedal brake is just for the rear brake when you're on mud or gravel and you don't want to grab the front brake, because when you squeeze the front brake, the front tire locks up in those loose conditions and then it skids and the bike steers out from underneath you. That is bad. Thank you, sorry, love you. Why did I say I love her? Anyways, that's bad. You don't want the front tire to skid. So, you ride the rear brake. So this rear brake in here is linked for the Honda Navi. It applies, hey doggies, doggy doggies. The brake pedal down here applies brake to the front and the rear tire. Well, in my noob panic, I do grab just the front, because in my head, the rear brake applies the front and the rear. I should be, in those situations, reaching for the rear brake. I hadn't built up that memory yet, because on my bike, it isn't just the rear brake. Alright, on to the money shot. I start to straighten up the bike so that I'm not leaning when I hit it. I kind of straighten up, which takes me wide. I leave the path, hit some mud, slide, you know, rest is history. And even with all that, what I really probably should have done is not hit any brakes at all and just kind of ride it out. Just kind of ride it out. But, you know, yeah, we make mistakes. The next thing that led to this is, yeah, I'm an idiot. I was riding where I shouldn't have been. But that's what fun is. That's how you fun. So that's my crash. Wasn't that serious, but you know, it's fun. Feel free to laugh at me and roast me in the comments.
The next day.
We've got a dedicated audio recorder. Lost 2.5 hours of footage yesterday. So fuck you, GoPro. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. No more audio from a GoPro. I have my fucking gloves on. Let's do all this again. Alright, and my garbage bin. This is what I love about the Navi. Cool, cool, cool. Throw gloves on the ground, that's cool. Oh, look at that. Some plastic damage. I wonder where that's from. You know, maybe we'll go visit that site. Maybe that's what I'll do now. Alright, I feel like a real YouTuber now. I have a dedicated audio recorder. There were these two people in Best Buy, both in blue shirts that look like Best Buy shirts. And I started asking one of them where the external batteries were. He just looked at me and goes, I don't work here. But he was talking to a Best Buy employee, and they're both wearing the exact same color blue. I mean, if you go to Best Buy in a blue polo, you work there. It's just kind of automatic. Like, I don't go to Target in a red shirt and khakis and not help people find the milk, you know? At that point, I work there. So I guess, you know, some people just don't understand that. I don't have my earplugs in. It's a little too much. I would not like to have hearing damage. Let me just put these in. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's go to that subdivision. God, I wish I could just lane split. I don't want to piss off a bunch of people. And also, it's not legal in Missouri. I think only in California. Damn hippies with their lane splitting. With their smarter use of traffic space by letting motorcycles get out of the way. I wonder if I can talk text-to-speech with my phone. Hey Google! Is this considered texting and driving? Hey Google! Hey Google! Just screaming at my phone. Alright, let's forget this. Focus on driving. My 30th birthday is coming up, and I kind of want to get my first tattoo. Here's the thing. I'm the kind of person that when I was younger, I always thought, you know, what is so important in my life that I would be okay getting a tattoo that's going to be there for the rest of my life. And I've had that thought for like a decade now. So now I'm at the point of like, you know what? Tattoos don't need to be important. Tattoos don't need to be something extremely special to you. They're just fun. Just get them. They look cool. You're overthinking it. What are you saving your body for? And so I had the idea of getting a tattoo like right here on my thigh, and it's a it's a Doodle Bob from SpongeBob holding up a pencil when he's going waddle, 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 waddle. It's I mean, is it not perfect? It's a tattoo no one else would see unless I was at a party and I want to pull my dick out, I guess. It's a perfect, stupid, silly tattoo. It makes me laugh just to think about it. I don't know. I think it's funny. And that's the whole point, is that tattoos don't need to be this serious thing that you need to be able to answer God for. You know what I mean? It's just a tattoo. I probably would never get a tattoo like that you could see openly. Not because I would be embarrassed, but I just don't want to have to explain to every person who feels like asking me about it. What up? Yeah! I still can't believe I slid this thing yesterday. So ridiculous. That's what happened. I came around this burn. Came around, carrying too much speed.
Just like you pull in and you just get spit right out of them. And you just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap, ah! And then after that, you just drop in, just ride the barrel and get pitted. So pitted like that.
I don't even want to go down there anymore. No thanks. There's just like a black skid mark from my peg. My peg really took the most damage. It just kind of scraped. Are they doing a group ride? I didn't get an invite. Hello? I didn't get an invite, guys. Oh, what do we have here? The group. Yeah, brother. Up, 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 up. Oh. Hell yeah, dude. That's the biggest one, brother. Have you ever seen that many? Oh, it's like ecstasy. Not that I've done it. Ah, damn, that thing is sweet. I mean, dangerous as hell before any safety things. Woo, that thing is tight. Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, I love you. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, I love you.
Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, are fine for standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah!
Great. Now I gotta go home and watch Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, or I'll be stuck in my head forever. A music player. Oh, he's got a little hat out there. Well, you know the drill. You're out playing music in the cold, I will give you some money. Oh, puppy. Oh my god. Wow! Oh my god. Just screaming like a maniac. I'm never sure if people can hear me or not. I mean, I could drive up there. I don't want to be an asshole. I spent a lot of my life just trying not to be an asshole. And shouldn't we all? Look at that graphic. How neato.
That's pretty neat.
Where'd that guy go singing? He's gone. Oh no. Oh no, he left by the time I looped around. Oh man. Look at that river. No vehicles on walkway. Look how high that river is. Huge, really swollen. Smart car. Smart park.
Look who's got Smart Pack.
Smart Pack?
Got Smart Pack.
He's got Smart Pack!
Sitting on the dock of the bay, chasing time. What if I sang so good and accurate that I got copyright stricken? Ain't gotta worry about that.